this video, I want to show you 3 crucial cornerstones that I believe are essential if you want to sell courses online. These are the principles that I've built my course business on, and I think they'll be very valuable to whoever's starting out or wants to take their business to the next level. After you've watched this video, you'll know how I work my way towards freedom, and you'll probably have some tips and tricks on how you can do it yourself. Three cornerstones, 3 essential things. The first thing is great content. The second one is a great platform. And the third one is great marketing. So the first one, content. It's super important that your content is high quality. You want to invest the time in creating courses, lessons, marketing videos, whatever content you create, you want it to be high quality. That doesn't mean high production quality necessarily. This is recorded with an iPhone and 2 lights and a small clip-on mic. It's not an expensive setup. It just means that you need the basics. You need light, you need a camera, you need good sound. If you don't have these 3 things checked off, you can forget about it, because if the format isn't great, people will think that your content isn't great either. Focus. You also want to make your content concrete. Nobody wants to hear about the high-flying concepts. People want concrete ideas, simple ideas that they can apply to their own lives. Brendan Burchard, author of The Millionaire Messenger, a book that I've really enjoyed.
Hey everybody, it's Ben Burchard.
He has a concept that consists of 3 parts, as always, where you have a simple idea, a little bit of context, and then a process how to apply it. So the first thing is, a simple idea could be, in your lessons, it's important to front load your most important points. That's the idea. That's number 1. Then number 2, a little bit of context where you explain why this makes sense. Front-loading your ideas make people want to watch the rest of your lesson. It's important not to bore them. It's important to kind of give them some easy early wins very early in your course, so they want to watch the whole thing. That's number 2. And then number 3 thing is, how do you apply this step by step? Could be something like, write out your whole script, pinpoint 3 of your most valuable points and put them up in the intro.
Step by step. Keep watching.
The second crucial cornerstone that I believe is essential if you want to sell your courses online is a solid platform. I've spent a lot of time on a kind of substandard platform that I got a lifetime deal on. $79 for a lifetime deal. Great, right? No, it's not really great if you don't trust the platform. If it doesn't instill a sense of solidity where you just know that everything works perfectly. I've had too many emails from students writing me about blurry videos. I can't find the buy button on mobile. This landing page is broken, whatever. All these things is time that I spend on not creating value. So I'm administrating, I'm kind of working with the technicalities of delivering my courses instead of actually creating my courses. And that's not what you want to do. Therefore, you need a solid platform. I've chosen Kajabi now, which is top of the shelf, maybe the most expensive platform you can use, because Kajabi it's solid and it's professional and it's simple, it's easy to use, and you can trust in the technicalities, you can trust in the code, and it's so easy and fast to set up. So it's actually something that moves away my focus from hosting my courses to instead create the courses, right? So Kajabi is also not just hosting my courses like all the other platforms. The reason why you pay a little more is because you also build your website with Kajabi. You send out your emails, these automated drip emails that you have for your different funnels. You get an analytics module like Google Analytics, just simpler. It takes care of payments and all that stuff. So it's like an all-encompassing solution for course creators, and that's why I chose Kajabi. So I actually went from maybe one of the cheapest to one of the most expensive high-end platforms, because I believe that it takes money to make money. It's important to have your foundation in place if you want to build something great on it, right? Makes sense, to me at least. So I'm investing a large portion of my monthly revenue right now in having a solid platform. That's the second crucial cornerstone that I believe is essential if you want to sell courses online.
I put you last but you're not least.
The third crucial cornerstone in selling courses online is marketing, it's distribution. I've spent too much time on perfecting my courses, days in, days out, on really perfecting them. At some point, you don't really get any more value out of spending the extra hour. You want to switch gear into distribution mode, so you want to direct attention to your courses. Like with this video, I'm trying to kind of create some marketing material around a key phrase, sell courses online, that kind of gives an answer and then directs people into my site if they want to learn more about this. So this is an example of how you can create video content around a key phrase that you think relates to your subject. And that's my second point within marketing. You want to use the video format. Why? Because people want to see how you look like, who you are, like how you behave, your mimic, your gesture, all that stuff. They want to get to know you a little bit before they lean into the paid options and start buying your courses, right? So instead of writing blog posts or podcasting or talking on stages, maybe video is a good format to start out with or to utilize if you're selling video courses, right? Another reason why video is immensely powerful is that it's so close to a face-to-face relation. You are looking at a screen now and you're seeing my face, and it's very close to us sitting in front of each other. It's much closer than you reading a letter that I write you or you listening to some sound that I recorded. You have all these visual cues, you have my hands, my face. Everything is very similar to if I was sitting on the other side of your table. Last important point about marketing is that you want to go for, at least that's what I've done and have had a little bit of success with that, is to go for evergreen key phrases, evergreen content, ever relevant marketing, right? What does that mean? It means that you kind of ignore the trends and the kind of the social media post every day, and instead you look for those key phrases that people search for year out and year in, and you want to place a content answer that answers that search, right? For example, if people search for how to make more money selling flowers, if that's an evergreen phrase that people just want to know how to make more money selling flowers, you want to first find out the exact phrase that people use on Google or YouTube. You can use keywords everywhere for that, or just go into the search bar and find out both the volume, how many search for this, and what's the exact phrase that people use. So if the volume is high, it's worth putting in the time to create the content like I'm doing here. And if the key phrase is in a certain way, you want to use that exact phrasing in your title, in your description of the video, or in your blog post, or where you post this video marketing thing. So evergreen video marketing is what you want to go for. Those were the 3 crucial cornerstones that you need in order to be able to sell courses online. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more about the courses that I sell and you want to find all references to stuff that I've been talking about here, tools and books and all that stuff, everything is down in the description. And thank you very much for being a subscriber of this channel. And now you're probably thinking, I'm not a subscriber of your channel. Well, now you're at least thinking about it, right? Thanks to Trevor Noah for that one. Please subscribe.